Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, and I hope the Christmas season brings you health and happiness. I want to thank all of you who are watching this right now. I am honored that you take the time from your day to watch my videos. If not for you, I would not be making videos, and to me, they are therapy. When I can't sleep at night, I can get up, put all the lights on, and lose myself for a while as I concentrate on the task at hand. And for those of you who are wondering, my husband is home, although he's very weak and frail. Here's a picture of him as he reached the top steps to come into the house, and my son is behind him, just in case he was needed. And I really appreciate all the best wishes that you extended to him. So from our house to yours, I send you wishes for a lovely, peaceful Christmas day with your family in this challenging time. And I wish you only good things to come in 2022. So Merry Christmas, everyone, and may you have a wonderful Christmas season. Bye for now.